Make money while you sleep. Sounds like a scam, right? But here's the thing, there are ways to build income streams that keep paying you even when you're not actively working. The trick? They're not 100% passive at first. They take setup, effort, and sometimes investment. So today I'm ranking 7 real passive income streams by 3 things. Startup cost, how much money you need up front. Risk, the chances you lose money or waste your time. Time to first dollar, how long it takes before you see cash in your account. We'll start with the easiest and lowest barrier options, then move up to the more advanced ones. By the end, you'll know which stream actually fits your situation. Let's get into it. Number 7, affiliate marketing. Low cost, medium risk, fast payouts. Affiliate marketing is simple in concept. You recommend a product, drop your unique affiliate link, and earn a commission every time someone buys through you. Startup cost, almost nothing. You can start with a free blog, TikTok, or even just Instagram. Risk, medium. The risk is mostly wasting time creating content that doesn't convert. Time to first dollar, surprisingly quick. If you already have an audience, you could make your first sale in a day. Why it works? Companies want exposure, and they're happy to pay you instead of spending on ads. Amazon's affiliate program, for example, lets you earn 1 to 10% commission per sale. Digital products like software or online courses can pay 30 to 50%. The downside? You need consistent content. No audience means no clicks, and your income can be unpredictable. Some months you'll earn hundreds, other months, almost nothing. But if you're just starting from scratch with little to no money, affiliate marketing is the fastest, lowest risk way to test the make money while you sleep dream. Number 6, print on demand. Low medium cost, medium risk, moderate payout speed. Next up, print on demand. Think t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, or tote bags with your custom designs printed and shipped whenever someone orders. You don't touch inventory. Companies like Printful or Teespring handle production and shipping. Startup cost, low to medium. The platforms are free, but you might spend on design software or ads. Risk, medium. The risk is spending hours designing products that never sell. Time to first dollar, usually 2 to 4 weeks, depending on marketing. Why it works? People love unique niche designs. A clever slogan or trendy graphic can sell dozens overnight. And because you're not holding stock, your upfront financial risk is close to zero. The catch? Competition is brutal. Thousands of sellers are targeting the same niches, and if you don't market your store, your products just sit there. Paid ads can eat profits quickly. That said, one viral design could turn into a product that sells 24/7, literally while you're sleeping. And once a design hits, it can stay evergreen for months or even years. Number 5, YouTube automation. Medium cost, higher risk, slower payouts. Now we're stepping into bigger territory. YouTube automation. This is where you create faceless YouTube channels. Think top 10 videos, tutorials, or explainers using stock footage, voiceovers, and editing. You don't even need to be on camera. Startup cost, medium. You can DIY everything for free, but if you outsource scripts, editing, and voiceovers, expect to spend $200 to $500 per video. Risk, higher. It takes time to grow a channel, and there's no guarantee it'll get monetized. Time to first dollar, 3 to 6 months minimum, since you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before YouTube ads kick in. Why it works? Once monetized, YouTube pays you for every ad shown on your videos. Combine that with affiliate links or sponsorships, and you can scale fast. The beauty of this model is leverage. One video can keep earning for years, but it's not quick. Most creators give up before they ever hit monetization. Still, YouTube automation is one of the most scalable, truly passive income streams once you push past the startup grind. Number 4, selling digital products. Low cost, low risk, fast to first dollar. Now we're moving into one of the most underrated sleep money streams, digital products. Think about it. Ebooks, templates, presets, stock photos, or even Notion dashboards. Once you create them, you can sell them unlimited times without any extra work. Startup cost, very low. Sometimes under $50 if you're just using Canva or Google Docs. Risk, low. The only risk is time wasted creating something nobody wants. Time to first dollar, fast. If you already have a social media following, you could make your first sale in days. Why it works? Digital products are high margin. Sell a $20 template just once, and you've basically covered your bums. Sell it 100 times, that's $2,000 without lifting a finger after the initial creation. Real example, I know creators selling simple resume templates on Etsy who make $500 to $1,000 per month on autopilot. Others sell Lightroom presets on Instagram and make a steady side income. The real challenge isn't creation, it's marketing. You need to either build an audience or tap into marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market to get eyeballs. But once something hits, it can literally pay you in your sleep for years. Number 3, creating online courses, medium cost, medium risk, slower but bigger payouts. If digital products are like selling snacks, online courses are like serving a full meal. Instead of a $20 template, imagine selling a $200 to $500 course teaching people a specific skill you've mastered. Photography, coding, cooking, investing, anything. Startup cost, medium. A camera, microphone, or at least good screen recording, software. Maybe $100 to $500 if you want professional quality. Risk, medium. Courses take a lot of upfront work, and there's no guarantee people will buy. Time to first dollar, 1 to 3 months minimum, depending on your audience size. Why it works? Online learning is massive. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare make it easy to upload and distribute your knowledge. And unlike freelancing, where you trade time for money, courses scale. One recording can be sold to thousands. Still, if you have expertise in an area and can package it well, this is one of the most powerful semi-passive income streams out there. Number 2, real estate rentals. High cost, higher risk, slower to first dollar. Okay, let's step into the classic, real estate. Probably the most well-known form of passive income, but also one of the hardest to break into. Startup cost, high. Even with financing, you're looking at thousands for a down payment. Risk, high. Property values can drop, tenants might damage the place, and unexpected repairs eat profits. The semi-passive catch, it's never 100% hands-off. Even with a property manager, there are repairs, vacancies, and paperwork. But compared to grinding at a day job, collecting rent checks feels pretty passive. If you already have capital and want a long-term wealth builder, this is a solid play. But for beginners, it's often out of reach. Number 1, dividend stocks and index funds. Medium cost, low risk, very slow payouts. Finally, the most classic version of making money while you sleep, investing. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay out a portion of their profits regularly, usually every quarter. Index funds, meanwhile, spread your investment across hundreds of companies, lowering risk. Startup cost, medium. You can start with as little as $100 using apps like Robinhood or Vanguard, but meaningful returns usually require thousands. Risk, low to medium. Stocks go up and down, but if you diversify, the risk of total loss is low. So here's the truth. There's no magical button for money while you sleep. Every stream requires some mix of time, money, and patience. But once you build it, the payoff is freedom. Income that flows in even when you're not at a desk grinding. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 7 passive-ish streams would you try first? Drop it in the comments below. And hey, if this breakdown gave you ideas, make sure to hit like, smash that subscribe, and turn on notifications because I've got more deep dives coming on how to escape the 9-to-5 trap and build real financial freedom.